Alright, well, good morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro out here in Costa Rica. This is day 3, 4, I don't know, it's all starting to blur together. We're leaving Montezuma now, grabbing a ferry at noon, and gonna end up in Jaco at some point today. Got the crew! Yeah, it's pretty funny. We've been getting pictures out, some of the other club members and stuff, and like everybody's bumming that they didn't come because it was like a full club invite. All members welcome to join in, and like they're seeing how incredible this place is. And it's just like, oh, should have gone, I'm missing out. So hopefully we'll get the opportunity to do something like this again, because it's been really special. ¡Ay, mueve tu culo! That was Jake, the owner of Ultimate Rides CR, Costa Rica. Pretty awesome view. The line for the ferry? Must be the line for the ferry. Oh, please tell me we're not going to sit in the sun for the next hour.
Yeah, I was thinking you were saying.
First time ever taking a ferry with a vehicle.
Okay, they have to hook something that rope here. They have to park it here.
Okay. ¿Está? Dude, look at that vehicle. That thing's awesome.
Oh yeah.
That thing's awesome. First ferry ride completed. No time in the drink. had ourselves a nice late lunch. It was delicious. Had some seafood. We're riding on this frontage road right here, right next to the ocean. Oh man, sneezing in helmets sucks. Making our way to where we're staying for the night. Oh wait, no, actually, I think Louis said that we're going to Crocodile Bridge. I don't know what that is. We'll see. Oh yeah. Commercial fishermen out there. Shipyard for freight and cargo. Air smells awesome. Oh, that smelled good. Got on some fun little back roads, had a long pavement run. Little pavement was alright though. It's nice to just kind of sit on your butt and cruise after you got a full belly. I'm really surprised that we have not gotten caught in like any kind of real rain. Little sprinkles here and there, but nothing crazy. And it's surprising too because every day we've been here, it's rained. But it just seems that we are off the bike whenever it happens. Worked out pretty well. Some of these like dirt tracks or something we've been hitting, I could not imagine hitting them any wetter than they are. Especially like that red, greasy dirt. Nope, can't see it from here. So right down there, big old freaking crocodiles. I'll try to remember to cut in some footage from my phone. Yeah, so tomorrow's gonna be our last day on the bikes. We're talking about doing a little bit of small bike riding in the morning, then switch to the big bikes, then run back to San Jose, check into the hotel, and yeah, end the trip, go home. tell you that for sure. Like, I'm having a lot of fun. It's like the scenery and everything is unreal, but missing home for sure. Oh, starting to get that sprinkle. They're selling fish on the side of the road like that. It's pretty cool. Shop right there. Alright, so that was the town of Hako. I think we're coming back here for dinner. Or not. We'll see. I think we're staying like just outside of this town, so I don't know. I'm tired. I'm ready to take these boots off. Playa Hermosa. That's the name of the town we're staying in. Alright guys, we're almost to the hotel. I'm running out of daylight. I'm gonna go and wrap this one. So tomorrow will be our last day on the bikes, and then it's off to home. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Later! Or hasta luego! Some decent sized surf out there.